Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to turn off the notification of the specific account on Instagram application. So the first thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram application and make sure that we are signed in or logged in with our account. So sometimes we need to focus at work, we need to focus at our exam, on our studies, in anything. So if you are following the celebrities, idol, actress, or anything that can post a lot of content in a day, it sometimes will be disturbing you. So let's just turn off the notification. So first thing we have to do is find the account of the celebrities that we follow. So let's say here I follow Mark from NCT because I admire him so much. So you can see that I already turned on the notification for every post of him. And to turn off the notification, you just need to go click this following part right here. And after that, you just need to go click mute. And you can just mute the specific part like post and stories. So whenever these account updating something like post or stories, you will not get any notifications on your phone. So that is the way, guys, how to turn off the notifications of specific account on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.